Assalamu alaikum, Islam tubers. How well do you know your deen? Can you answer them all? Let's begin. What is the holy book of Islam called? C. Qur'an. Who is the final prophet in Islam? D. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. What is the name of the Islamic declaration of faith? B. Shahada. How many times a day do Muslims pray? C. 5. What is the name of the pilgrimage to Mecca? B. Hajj. What is the Islamic month of fasting called? B. Ramadan. What is the name of the festival that marks the end of Ramadan? D. Eid al-Fitr. What is the term for giving charity in Islam? B. Zakat. What city was Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, born in? C. Makkah. Who was the Prophet's cousin and son-in-law? C. Ali. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's continue with the quiz. In which language was the Quran revealed? B. Arabic. How many chapters are there in the Quran? C. 114. What is the first surah of the Quran? B. Al-Fatiha. Which prophet built the Kaaba with his son? C. Prophet Ibrahim. Which prophet was swallowed by a big fish? A. Prophet Yunus. What is the Islamic symbol often seen on flags in mosques? B. Crescent moon and star. What is the direction Muslims face when praying? C. Kaaba. What is the term for Islamic law? B. Sharia. What is the meal before dawn during Ramadan called? B. Sahur. What is the name of the call to prayer? B. Adhan. How many did you get? Let us know your score in the comments below. Subscribe for more Islamic content to make your Islamic learning experience fun and rewarding. Assalamu alaikum.